I think a number of thanks are due today. Obviously to the Loftus community and the walking group for championing this issue and making sure that it's something which has actually come to pass, because I think that, this is a real bottom-up initiative, speaking about something that really matters to the town. To Barry and all the councillors for working with ICL Boulby to help make this possible. But obviously, above all, to Boulby and the team of engineers who helped to actually bring this about, because it's a wonderful example of a company giving back in society. It's going to make a real difference to the town. We know how much we owe ICL Boulby for all the employment and opportunity that you provide in East Cleveland, but this is a really concrete example of putting back in other ways as well, and I think it will make a real difference for generations to come. And so, well done, thank you, well done guys on getting this in. I think it's probably, it seems very straightforward now. I'm sure it didn't feel that at the time, and let's hope this makes a real difference to Loftus for many years to come. And so, without further ado, I declare the bridge open.